Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my lovely model.
Hi.
So don't worry, she's not bald, you all. So I just this is like a bald style of lace frontal installation. So you all, I'm gonna be doing her hair and makeup as usual.
I'm excited, very excited.
Yeah. She don't like makeup. Like she's not the kind of person that wear makeup often.
No.
Only when it's carnival, girl. You love carnival.
Yes.
You tell them.
Only when it's carnival I wear full face of makeup, or maybe birthday, but that's it.
Yes, so today we're going to see how you're going to be looking when beautician chick beat your face.
Hey.
So you all, let's get started, and we're going to start with the hair first.
Okay.
So, this way, so maybe you should put it on. Frontal. And you know what else is good for frontal?
What?
When you curl your hair out to the back.
Okay.
Yeah, so next time if you curl your hair out to the back, you see how it's going to look more flat.
Okay.
Yeah, all to the back is the best type for frontal. It's going to lay really flat. Yeah, but this is not bad, look. Got to be again. See, this got to be. They better start paying us money. I'm not actually that spouse, you know.
You think so?
Yeah.
Eyebrows.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm looking at it like, is this mine?
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
wow.
Yes, girl. You see, you have brows after all. Look.
Oh wow. Maybe you have to be my permanent brow person.
You know?
Because I don't trust anybody.
You know what, yeah? I love this. So this is like a moisturizer, which I love so much. It's like a skin base.
Museum of brushes.
Tell me about, look at that. Look at that behind. Oh God, tell me.
Don't worry, soon your brushes are gonna come out.
You think so?
Yeah, man. Yeah, you can
Okay.
do, look, you can do anything.
I know. I would love to do brow pencil though.
Yeah, you can do that though.
Because- Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Now let's highlight and contour with this LA Girl Pro Concealer, shade Natural. So I'm gonna use this. It's just to hold the fallout. Yeah. So look down again. Yes. If you look up now. Yeah, that's it. Reverse contour is big. I love it.
So you let this sit.
Yes, while I'm doing the other makeup, I'll be setting the area with NW45, which is actually your shade. So I use your shade first when I'm setting this first bit. So when I contour later. This is a form of contouring, but it's actually not going to give you that contour effect.
Okay.
But sometimes it still gives, it depends. So when I see that it doesn't give you that contour effect, I go back with the darker one. So that's what I do when I finish brushing up the same powder. So brows time now. Gonna do the brows. Wow. My favorite time when I do makeup, so the brows time. So yeah. Using Rimmel pencil, by the way, you all know that. 2 colors, black brown, dark brown, and black brown.
eyeshadow do you have?
Tell me about it. A lot. A lot. A lot. Now let's blend in with this color and back. It looks like black, but it's not black.
Okay, what you mean. It does look close to black, but it's not.
Thank you. It's not too strong. It's good from MAC as well. Very nice. Good. Let's see.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look like I should be in Black Panther.
Oh! Here. The color of the powder that I will normally use for you. That's more for me. Yeah, even the shade. The same darker shadow underneath. So if you look up again. So then I'll just use a white liner inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, it's open. So lashes time.
Lashes.
Yeah. Lashes time.
The best time.
Yeah, so my girl was slaying. She don't care again. Okay. So now I'm gonna line the top again to seal the lash line.
So what is this?
Gel liner.
Okay.
So I use a brush, an angle brush to apply that. Whipping off the setting powder with mineralized skin finish. This one is medium dark. Medium dark. Subtle contour. Not looking like that. Look at that. Yes, smile and just apply that there. So just apply that on the apple of the cheek, like slave faces. Yes. Yes. It's not by accident.
I'm sure I've seen you cut your boy's hair before.
Oh yeah, girl, yeah, you remember?
Yeah!
Oh my god! Yeah! You remember? Oh my god! I didn't forget.
No.
Wow. How can you remember? That was like ages ago.
No,
like
I
5
have
years
good
ago.
memory with certain people.
Oh,
if you've made an impact on me, then I'll remember you. If you haven't made an impact on me, I don't remember.
Okay. Oh my god. Ooh. Wow. Wow. You know? Okay. Glamorous is good. Oh my god.
YouTube.
Ah.
Are you ready for this?
You know?
Wow.
Are you ready?
Are you ready for real?
So yes, this Ignite. This Ignite highlighter
Yeah.
is Bay. So yeah. So I'm gonna wet my brush as usual. Your Ignite. Huh?
That's all thanks to you.
Oh! You are better watch this highlight. This highlight is gonna blind. It's so blinding. And the way you're being showing off. So let's highlight here. Highlight there.
It puts people off as well.
Okay, like people think. Bye, Mom.
Bye bye.
Bye. Oh, she's so cute. Wow.
Wow. Now I look like one of the girls on this.
Ah! Yeah. So now, see, guys, is she not popping? Is she not popping? Look at her. Just good. Oh my God. Slay Queen. She's the slay queen for today. So just gonna use the powder to blend it in. Okay, so I'll just spray your face. That's good. Look, y'all, are you? So spray the face. Finished look. Do you like your makeup?
I love my makeup. I am slayed.
She
She slayed me. I look absolutely stunning.
Aww. She's feeling herself, you all.
100%. I'm gonna walk home the long way.
So guys, thank you for watching, and this hair is from LAKI Hair. I'm gonna put the link down below if you want to get this fabulous hair. So it's a frontal, and your girl, you know, just did this installation.
My first frontal.
Yeah.
Holler at her, please.
Yes, guys. So thank you all for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yes, I'm on Instagram as well, you all, so check me out. So you all, I'm gonna see you all in my next video, and bye.
Bye.
Yes, guys. Yeah, she's feeling herself. You guys, don't mind her. This is how people feel after the glam. This is people just like on top of the world.
I'm gonna take 100 pictures. Trust me.
Yeah. So let's do pictures.